Good morning, everybody. It's Ty with Traveling Wild. Today I am hiking with my beautiful companion Chelsea.
Hey guys.
We are hiking to Stewart Falls, so let's get going. Should we go step up on it real quick? Just off to the left side of the trail here, you can see this, well, who knows what it is. Some sort of water tower or something. And we're just gonna jump on top of it and see what the view is like from up here. Okay, so remember when you're doing this hike that this is a super popular hike, and it should be because it's amazing, but just remember that you will see a ton of people along this trail. All right, behind us here, you can see we've got the famous Stewart Falls. That'd be cool. That'd be a cool picture. Okay, so we've made it to the waterfall. It took us about 53 minutes, but we were totally dilly-dallying, getting distracted by all sorts of things. Let's see here. It's 1.87 miles to this spot right here. Okay, so we're at Stewart Falls. You can see it's kind of a double waterfall here. You got this one here, and there's actually a pond up here, and then obviously you got the second part of the waterfall up there. So if you look up this right here, you can actually hike up this dirt trail, and there's a trail that goes along there and leads you to the pond. So we are going to actually hike up this trail and go check out the second section of the waterfall. Okay, so this section here, the gravel is really loose and it's really steep. So if I slip, well, I would say expect me to slip. Whoa. I'm gonna try going up this little stream section here. There you go. It's a great view of the waterfall from right here. As you can see, the view from up here is insane. It's so beautiful, and the waterfall is like something out of the movies. And as I slide around this way, you'll see the view behind me is also insane. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the upper section. Now we're gonna hike back down, and you can kind of walk behind the waterfall. So we're gonna go give that a try. Okay, so this waterfall really pitches out there, and you know that if you watch this channel, I'm committed to getting you up close and personal. So we are going into the waterfall. Oh, it's cold. Can you hang out in here? Yes, it's freezing cold. Woo! We can go right on back through again. Okay, yeah. That was cool. Woo! Okay guys, here we are at the base of Stewart Falls. You know that I'm committed to getting you up close and personal with every waterfall that I meet. So yes, it was freezing, but if you come here, you've got to give that a try. Okay, the hike time in here took us about 53 minutes. And so we were just playing around, but now we're gonna hike out of here like two monsters and try to set some records, right? So start the clock, and here we go. Okay, the first part, heading back up and out, is really steep. I'm already breathing deeply. Holy cow. Okay, so you can see why this is my favorite hike in Utah. It's so beautiful. If you have a hike that you think's better than this one, please leave a comment below and let me know so I can give that one a try. Also, if you have any questions about this particular waterfall, I'd love to answer any of your questions. So please, once again, feel free to leave your comments below. Okay, so I should also point out that you can have your pets on this trail. We have seen a ridiculous amount of people today and a ridiculous amount of doggies. So bring your dog if you want to. Just make sure you bring, you know, one of those little bags to put their stuff in. Okay, so we're just finishing up with the hike. Let's stop our watches, see where we at. Took us about 35 minutes to get back from the waterfall. Total hike time is about an hour and a half with us playing around, and we didn't time, obviously, while we were at the waterfall. So anyways, that's that. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you the parking lot because it's crazy packed like this all the time. You can see the parking lot is packed. All right, guys, thanks for joining us on our hike to Stewart Falls this morning. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and ring that little bell to be notified each time we post new videos. Peace. I'm out of here.